Pinworms are small intestinal parasites of the length of about 1 centimeter and thickness of a thread. They affect school-going children the most. Butt scratching is the first sign of your child infected with pinworms. You can try home remedies before going for chemical-based medicines. Coconut oil is a good home remedy to get rid of pinworms. Since pinworms are highly contagious, you need to treat them early. You also need to stop its spread. In this video we will take a closer look at pinworm treatment with coconut oil. We will also look at the precautions that will protect the rest of the family from getting infected. So stay tuned to the end. Generally, school-age children bring pinworms home as they do not take enough precautions of hygiene while playing with other children. When a child touches pinworm eggs, infected surfaces of bathroom knobs, toys, body of a friend or any other infected surface, then risks of infection increases. If the child doesn't wash hands properly with soap every time he or she eats something, then pinworm infection is inevitable. The eggs have a lifespan of 2 to 3 weeks. When they get into the intestine, they hatch as pinworms. Females crawl outside the anus to lay eggs. This colony of eggs causes nasty itching. This is the area from where the eggs get into hands while scratching and begin contaminating surfaces. When somebody else touches these surfaces, they get infected. Now, after understanding the life cycle of pinworms and how they infect people, let us look at coconut oil and its role in preventing and treating pinworms. Coconut oil is anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial, therefore it reduces pain and itching as it kills the pinworm eggs before they hatch. Another good capability of coconut oil is that it creates a skin condition that is not conducive to lay eggs by pinworms. You can topically apply coconut oil on the affected area. You can add garlic juice or apple cider vinegar to coconut oil and apply. Both garlic and apple cider vinegar are antimicrobial. In addition, ingesting a teaspoon of virgin coconut oil will also help. Take the following precautions to stop spread of pinworm infection. Wash beddings, towels, pajamas and undergarments separately in hot water. Do not use each other's towels at home. Wash hands regularly with soap and every time before eating anything by hand. Cut fingernails short. Take shower twice, one before going to bed and second after getting up from the bed in the morning. Bottom line is, you should ensure that pinworms are eradicated. If natural remedies don't work, then consult your doctor and take medication if required. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.